I just picked up this dresser from Facebook Marketplace for free. It definitely needs a lot of work. There's a chip off this corner here. I'm not sure about that. There's literally no drawer slide on the bottom of this at all. This one down here needs some work as well. This rail is loose. Actually, all three of these rails are loose. So I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in these and tighten it up. This rail is really loose, so I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in here and in the back. So there's a missing drawer rail right here going across here. It looks like that, something like that. Rather than ordering one and trying to find one, I actually have some drawer rails here, different stuff left over. And I think one of these actually work. It'll be something like that. This will attach to the bottom of the drawer, something like that. And it should be enough room for this to fit. I'll find out and see if I can make it work. Go ahead and cut the bottom rail down. It's a little bit too long, maybe 1/4 inch. Nice clean cut. Now this rail is going to fit a lot better. That way it's not sticking out so far. All right, mark the holes here on the drawer rail so I can go ahead and put a recess for the screw. I'm going to use a Forstner bit to go ahead and pre-drill a little bit of recess for the screw to hide the top of the screw. All right, let's go ahead and put the rail in and I'll screw it in. All right, got the rail clamped in place and all lined up. I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole so it does not split the wood when I put the screw in there. All right, let's go ahead and put a screw in there, kind of a long one. I believe it's 1.25 inches. There we go, professional like, just like that. Let's do the back now. Drill a hole back here. Go ahead and put the back screw in. Beautiful. All right, this rail is in, professional-like. The screws are recessed in there so the drawer, when it slides in, it won't hit the screws. Everything's good there, and it's really, really tight. This thing is not moving for years. So now we just got to put the rail that I cut down the size. Just got to put the rail on the bottom of the drawer here. All right, so I got to mount this bottom piece on the bottom of the drawer. There's a couple, the old glide was right here that was broke. I just went ahead and took it off. There's a couple little staples still in here. I got to remove those staples. That way I could go ahead and put this rail on there. So let's do that. I got it kind of ready here. Remove the staples. So I went ahead and laid out the bottom drawer slide and actually marked it where it's going to go, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to do is actually put 2 screws on the end here, and then I'll put a screw in the top there to hold it down. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple screws in here. Now let's put a screw in here to hold the wood piece down, and we'll fasten the back end right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a screw in the back. Okay, I attached the drawer rail to the bottom of the drawer. Let's go ahead and put it back inside the dresser. All right, there we go. Beautiful. Works amazing. So now all I gotta do is just wait for the other drawer parts to come. The only reason I put that drawer rail on there, was because I was missing and I didn't want to order one. I had some parts that I could use. A couple drawer guides came in from Amazon for this dresser here. A couple drawers that need them for this one right here. Let's flip this over real quick. You can see this is actually broken. It's kind of hard to tell, but it should look something like that. A little hook on the ends. And what that does, it basically goes on here like this. And look at that, fits beautiful. A little bit of play, that's okay. But it slides on the back of the drawer like that. So let's go ahead and put it on. I'll take the other one off first. Basically just peel this up like that. Staples. That one broke. All right, now we can put this on here, line it up. It's about center where it was before. Let's go ahead and put the drawer back in. Woo! All right, got the drawer slides all waxed up and they work extremely well. I'm literally like glass. Slide it like glass with my fingers. Love it.